Hello and welcome guys. You've got through customs and immigration. Now you're thinking to yourself like a rabbit in the headlights. You're thinking, where do I go next? You need money, you need a SIM card, you need transport. Let's get on there. And don't forget, this is on arrival. This is on the second floor. We're going to show you where you can get your money. And don't forget, this is no bullshit Freddy. We're going to straight in there, not asking or telling you where all the toilets are. We're going to tell you where all the information is. Let's get on in there, guys. Guys, you've come for arrivals. You've got that far now. So, where you are now, you're on the second floor of arrivals. You've come through. And directly in front of you, you're going to find the bureau to change, ATM machine, your SIM cards, everything what you need to get yourself ready to, obviously you need money, spend your money to pay for things like your hotel, your beer with ice, everything else. So anyway guys, see, this is where it's the best spot to get everything regarding your cash. And the SIM card, there's D-Tech along here, there's AIS, and they're pretty good, but it's a choice of what you want. Any one of them you can get. But most importantly, at this spot here, this is where you've arrived. You're on the second floor of arrivals. Below this ground is the transport area. So if you want to catch a taxi, or maybe you need to catch an express bus, it's all below this floor. So that would be level 1. And level 3 is where you're going to find all the restaurants. So if you need to travel on, maybe you need to go to Chiang Mai or travel on and a bus or express train, or the aircraft's not ready, you can get food there. Or obviously you need to go upstairs to go to departures. Departures is in level 4. But anyway guys, I hope that's quite useful for you. And anyway, get your cash, let's move on, and don't forget the ATM and your bank is directly in front of you. Guys, this is going to be your ATM where you'll be getting your money out. Don't forget, every time you draw your money out, you'll be charged 250 baht or 220. So it's better to get your money from a bureau to change or the bank. So that way you get a better representation, you get more money out. But this is the ATM what you'll find in Thailand. They're spraying all around the airport. But anyway, there's the machine guy. No bullshit Freddy. Let's get on and we'll have a look at some more now to show you. We're downstairs at level 1 now. Hey, we got your money, got your SIM card. Now we need to get a taxi. So to get your taxi, you press this button here. That would give you a ticket number. Then after you got your ticket number, you look above, and then that will tell you what line all the way along here. There's a big line of taxis, and that would show you where your taxi is. So you just need your ticket, and then you just decide. Obviously there's different queues for different distance travelled where you're going to in Thailand, but it's all really self-explanatory. Anyway guys, I hope that was helpful. I'll give you a little mixture of a picture showing where all the queue, where the taxis are, and where the area is, where we are now. Now you have your ticket, look above, and there will be your taxi. Pretty straightforward, eh guys? Let's get to it. Well, now comes the exciting part guys. You're down in the BTS, and this is where you can get your cheapest ticket you need to get to where you want to go to your hotel. But really this is for the more experienced person who's travelled here before. So here is your where you can get your ticket from. It will show you all the different railway stations, and then on top you can change it to English or Thai. And below that is once you put your money in, or you put your destination in, then it will give you how much the ticket is. You put your money into the machine, which is just there, and then the ticket will come out. But this is the cheapest way to go to get your ticket to go to your next stop. Well guys, that's a big roundup of all what you're going to get when you come to Suvarnabhumi airport. There's only one terminal here. Don't forget the 4 floors what you got here. So you're going to arrive in arrivals, and then you'll go to level 1, and then if you're moving on you'll go to level 3. There's restaurants there, and level 4 for departures when you come back into the airport. So guys, You know, I've been truthful for you guys. We even forget a vlogging stick. I've done my very best to show you anyway, guys, but I hope this is a really straightforward and easy to follow for you to come to Thailand, you know, the land of smiles and a drink. You know, you can have your ice beer with non-can, which is ice. I really hope you've enjoyed my video here, guys, and there's any information you'd like to know, hopefully it's all packed in there. We'll do another one like this in 6 months time. Anyway, guys, don't forget, it's just Freddie. I don't get paid anything for this, guys, so I really appreciate a thank you, a thumbs up, and your comments would be really good. What other things would you like me to give you to make it easier for you and your journey? Anyway, guys, this is Freddie, and we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you, guys, for watching. I appreciate it. Now step out in front, you have your tickets, guys, and you have your number, so you know where the taxis are or where you're going to.